Now I'm going to give you a really simple breakdown of the supplies you'll need as a beginner to embroidery. If you've got one of our kits, then you're welcome to skip over this part. First, you'll need a hoop. There's many different hoops on the market, but the most important thing is to find one which holds your fabric nice and tight. A good quality wooden hoop is great for making your project in and looks beautiful on display. You can also get plastic non-slip design hoops which are fantastic at holding your fabric super tight. You'll need a needle to stitch with. So an embroidery needle is sharp with a nice long hole at the top, which makes it easier to thread compared to a regular sewing needle. I suggest using a starter pack of embroidery needles and practice with different sizes. My preference are the larger sizes. Look for sizes 1, 3 or 5. You'll need threads to stitch with. Stranded embroidery thread, called floss, is great to use and comes in any colour your heart desires. Each thread consists of 6 individual strands that can be separated and then recombined to achieve a bolder or a finer look. DMC is a great brand to work with. You'll also need the fabric which you'll stitch on. So embroidery can be worked on a wide range of fabrics, but as a beginner, look for plain weave, non-stretch, 100% cotton fabric. It can help if you look for a quilter's grade cotton, which is usually an ideal weight. Kona is a lovely brand to work with. You'll need a transfer pen to draw your design onto the fabric. My favourite kind is a heat erasable pen. This means that once you finish stitching, you can easily remove any visible marks with heat and your final piece will look neat and tidy. But hey, a simple pencil is fine when you're learning. Just be aware that any marks not covered with stitches will remain on show. Last, you'll need scissors. It's really helpful if you have a little sharp pair of embroidery scissors with small blades to snip nice and close to your work. If need be, I'm sure you can make it work with small craft or household scissors. Okay, so that is a quick rundown on the supplies you'll need to kick off with your embroidery journey.